Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sheet. Enter each task, its start date and duration, and add a milestone column to flag milestone rows or use 0 duration. Once the table is ready, select Start and Duration and insert a stacked bar chart so you have the basic Gantt visualization. Make sure task order and date axis are correct. This base chart is essential because every milestone will align to these values. After this, you're ready to position milestone markers visually on the chart. Next, add the milestone column as a new series. Choose either a scatter series for precise date placement or add a 0 duration stacked bar to the chart. When using scatter, set X values to milestone dates and Y values to task positions so markers sit on the correct row. Once plotted, format the series. Pick a distinct marker like a diamond, increase size, and choose a bright color so milestones stand out. Make sure the milestone series uses the same horizontal date axis for accurate alignment. Finally, polish the chart. Add data labels to milestone markers to show names or dates, adjust marker sizes, and tidy axis bounds so the timeline fits. If markers misalign vertically, switch the milestone series to a secondary axis and align the category axis or use precise Y values. This corrects offset issues. If dates look wrong, verify cell date formats and axis minimum/maximum. Troubleshooting tip: if a milestone sits off-row, check for hidden offsets or unintended gap widths, and reset series plotting options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.